Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the PYP Awards this afternoon. I hope you're all looking forward to next week when we have a few days off. You guys can rest and have a lovely time off with your families and friends. So here are the PYP Awards for this week. In Pre-KA, we have Elias is getting a Principal's Award. He is a role model for the class and he shows excellent listening skills and he's always following class responsibilities. Amaya is getting a Risk Taker Award. She is becoming so confident to challenge herself and she works independently. So well done, Amaya. In Pre-KB, we have Taha. He is getting a Communicator Award. He never hesitates to share his thoughts and his ideas during class discussions. He asks questions and answers questions very confidently. So well done, Taha. Noor is getting a Principal's Award. She is an excellent role model to her classmates and she's always following the rules. She listens attentively during lessons and is also very helpful throughout the day. So amazing Pre-KG. They are the award winners for this week. Now we have the KG1 Awards. In KG1A, we have an award for Ricardo. He is getting a Communicator Award. He is super confident and very playful. He enjoys sharing his ideas and thoughts with everyone in the class. We have Max, who's getting a Caring Award. He's always looking out for others in his bubble and being a very kind friend. If anybody is worried, you can always count on Max to comfort them. So well done, Max. In KG1B, Elise is getting a Knowledgeable Award. She is an amazing listener in class and always follows instructions to the finest details. As a result of this, she is super knowledgeable about our new phonics sounds and our maths work. So well done, Elise. Abed is getting a Communicator Award in KG1B. He loves communicating in so many different ways. Not only does he like chatting to his friends and teachers, but he also loves singing with his friends. KG1C. Nai is getting a Knowledgeable Award for always sharing her thoughts and ideas. Well done, Nai. Ali is getting a Thinker Award. He is a creative thinker and he always tries his best to find the correct answers. In KG1D, we have Niall. He's also getting a Knowledgeable Award. Lots of knowledgeable awards this week. Niall is always trying his best to learn and he makes connections with previous learning and he confidently shares his knowledge with his class. Well done, Niall. And Ali is getting a Principal's Award. He is a role model. He always listens and responds appropriately to his teacher. Ali is also looking out for others, so well done, Ali. And in KG1E, we have Danny, who's getting a Knowledgeable Award. Danny did a great job in maths this week. He showcased his knowledge of numbers and he even used a 10 frame very well. Well done, Danny. And Zara is getting a Well-Balanced Award. Zara uses her time in class in a balanced way. She works very hard to finish all her activities before she decides to play. Wow, super Zara. And in KG1F, we have Gemma is getting a Balanced Award. She is well aware of herself and others around her, and she's always really kind and caring and considerate to others. And we have Zayn is getting an Open-Minded Award. He is a wonderful student and friend in class. He's always listening to our opinions and tries to understand other perspectives. He's always open to new ideas. Now we have the KG2 Awards. In KG2A, we have Jainash is getting a Knowledgeable Award. He works really hard to share his prior learning to his peers during class discussions. Amira is getting an Inquirer Award. She shows great inquiry skills when learning about 2D and 3D shapes, and she's always striving to become more knowledgeable about what she is learning. Well done. In KG2B, Berin is getting a caring award. Berin is always very kind and caring. She always offers to help others in her bubble and her teachers. She is a great role model to her peers. And Lothari is getting an Inquirer Award. He is always asking questions and inquiring to become more knowledgeable. So well done, Lothari. In KG2C, we have Julia. She's getting a Communicator Award. She's working really hard to communicate with her teachers, her peers, and in English as well. She's making an excellent effort and is improving each day because she is so determined. Isa is getting a Caring Award for being a caring classmate. He is so kind to his friends and he always wants to help someone when they need it, even his teacher. In KG2D, we have Owen is getting a Reflective Award, always working really hard, challenging himself and taking good pride in his work. And Leah is getting a Risk Taker Award for trying to complete lots of activities in class. So well done, Leah. KG2E, we have Chloe is getting a Communicator Award for always listening carefully and sharing her ideas with the class. And Jad is getting a Balanced Award for being responsible and always cooperating with his peers. In KG2F, we have Keira, who's getting a Principal's Award for listening and responding appropriately to her peers and teachers. So well done. And we have Yassine is getting a Communicator Award for confidently sharing his understanding and ideas during all his class discussions. So well done, Yassine. So let's give a big clap to all of our award winners. We are so proud of you this week. I hope you all had a lovely Pink Day and I hope you all have a lovely weekend and a great midterm break next week. You all deserve a lovely rest. Have a lovely time, Sharks.